It's time to make one of my favorite drinks, and yes, it's pink. Today, we're making the Clover Club. And if you enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos and want to be notified each day, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. So, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, I need gin, and in my case, I'm using mermaid gin as it's very florally and it does very well with this drink. Additionally, you'll need grenadine, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've already taken the liberty of freshly squeezing my lemon juice, and I put them in these little bottles that I've linked in my description. And lastly, egg whites. I don't like cracking an egg and putting it in my drink. The mess is just too much, and I like this for the consistent measurements. The tools you need for this drink are a shaker set, a handheld fruit juicer, and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this cocktail are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, add in 2 ounces of gin. Now it's time to add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, add 1.5 tablespoons of grenadine. And lastly, add in 1 egg white, or in my case, 3 tablespoons of egg white. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds. And strain everything into that chilled coupe glass. And there you have it, the Clover Club. Cheers. God, that's so good. This tastes the way I feel like you expect it to taste. Because of the grenadine, it really does come through as a sweetener, but the egg whites and the gin are very subtle in the back. Overall, this drink is pretty citrus forward with the lemon juice, which does complement well with the grenadine syrup. And again, with those egg whites, it does have that velvety finish. Regardless of what I think it's a 10 out of 10 drink. This is one of my favorite go-to drinks, and yes, it's pink, and I love that about it. It stands out above everything else, and it's just a fun drink to serve. But enough about me. What are your thoughts on this drink? Would you make it? Have you made it? What are your thoughts on it? Let me know in the comments. And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.